guys, my name is Relja. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna read Pigs Make Me Sneeze, an Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. Ha-hoo, ha-hoo. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. Achoo. I cannot snap. Achoo. Easing. Oh no. What if? Okay, Gerald, what if what? What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Huh? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not, Doc. Okay, Dr. Cat. Oh my God. Just Pigs make me sneeze. No, they don't. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze. Cats don't. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. He was coughing on Piggie, and Piggie got the same thing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.